Guys, it's time to ditch that nasty washcloth and get the body buffer.
New to the Manscaped collection is this body buffer.
The body buffer is a 100% silicone-based antibacterial exfoliator that helps create more lather without harsh, painful scrubbing. Alternatives like loofahs and washcloths can be a breeding ground for bacteria.
The body buffer super-powered bristles designed to help remove dead skin, bacteria, and reduce ingrown hairs.
My hair has hair. Was I supposed to talk about how hairy I am? Does that help sell body buffers?
They just released their brand new Buff Bundle. Manscaped keeps getting better and better.
You actually get 2 Manscaped body washes inside your package.
Their body wash includes top-notch ingredients like aloe vera and sea salt to keep your skin feeling clean, fresh, and most importantly, moisturized. The details matter 100%.
These make me feel more manly than using a loofah, and I'll never be able to use anything else again.
He's so smooth.
After all, when it comes to grooming, they say buff is always better.
You smell amazing.
I know.
You can find everything you need at manscaped.com, so don't wait.